If you're a student using Visible Body Courseware, keep watching. We'll show you how to complete an assignment and take a quiz with our new assignments format. First, log into your courseware account. Then go to the assignments page for your course. Next, pick the assignment you want to complete. Assignments that haven't been started are marked with an empty blue circle, and partially completed assignments are marked with a half-filled circle, while completed assignments are marked with a solid green circle. Clicking on an assignment will bring you to an overview page, where you can see all the activities, instructions, and learning objectives for that assignment. From there, click the green Start Assignment or Resume Assignment button to start completing activities. For each activity, you'll find instructions in the box on the left-hand side of the screen. These will guide you as you manipulate 3D models, watch videos, or study illustrations and histology slides. Hit Next at the top of the screen to move on to the next activity. You can also use the drop-down to move between activities. Assignments auto-save as you move through the activities. Use the Back to Course button to exit the assignment, and you can resume it later. When you're ready to check your knowledge with a multiple choice or dissection quiz, click Start Quiz and follow the instructions. For a dissection quiz, you will need to rotate the model and dissect through structures to find answers. Use the Dissect button to do that. Once you've found and highlighted the structure you were looking for, you can submit your answer. Once you're done taking a quiz, you'll be able to see which questions you got right. Depending on the settings your instructor has chosen, you might have a chance to take the quiz again, which you can do right from the results screen. When you're done with all the activities and quizzes in an assignment, hit Submit Assignment, and you're good to go. For more tutorials and FAQs, visit the support site at support.visiblebody.com.